Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this class, we will discuss the equal set. So we will discuss definition of the equal set. So we will discuss definition of the equal set, example and initiative class to 11, exercise 1.2, question number 4, 5 and 6. Clear? So definition, what is the definition of equal set? So if there is a two set A and B, if every element of A is an element of B and if every element of B is also element of A, then the set A and B is said to be equal. Okay, so what is saying that means there should be an element A and B, there should be two set A and B, and element of A is equal to element of B and element of B is equal to element of A. Then you can say the both element is equal to each other. Okay, so if I see the example, if there is A in the set and A, B, C, D, four element is there, and B equals to C, comma B, comma A, comma D, these four elements. So you see A is there and A also there. So order can be different. Order can be different, but we have to see that there is there in same number of element and exactly same element is present. If same number of element is present and same element is present, same kind of element is present, then you can say these both two set is equal to each other. Okay, so means A and B is equal set. If so, when two set is equal, we write like that. And next example, P equals to set of prime number less than 6. So set of prime number less than 6 means what? 2, 3, 2, 3 only. 2, 3 is the set of prime number. And set of prime factors of 30. So means 2 is set of factor of 30, 3 also, 5 also, 6 also, but 6 is not a prime number. So means 2, 3, 5. So here the element are 2 and 3, and here the element, okay, 5 also included, will be 5 also included. So 2, 3, 5 are the elements of set P, and 2, 3, 5 also element of set Q. So means P and Q is equal to each other. Then next, so now we'll discuss question number 4, 5, 6, and these questions are based on equal set only. So in following state whether A equals to B or not. So you have to say A equals to B or not. So first question if you discuss, so here A, B, C, D, so this is the previous example, and B, D, C, B, A means A equals to B is true here. Next question number 2. So A equals to 4, 8, 12, 16 and B equals to this one. So you have to check each element of A is belong to B or not. So 4 is there, 4 is there, 8 is there, 8 is there, 12 is not belong to B, 16 is belongs to B, but the element of B, 18 is not belong to A. That's why A not equals to B here. So you have to compare like that. So now we'll discuss question number 3. So A, element of A are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and this one. So X is a positive integer. So if you the element of B, we will get like that. So X is a positive integer. So you'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Less equals to, and that's why we write 10. So, but 2 is belong to B, but the element of the element 1 of B does not belong to A. Okay, so the element 1 is belong to B, but 1 does not belong to A. So there is many elements that belong to B but does not belong to A. Like 3 is belong to B, 3 is not belong to A. So that's why A not equal to B. 4. Next, A X is the multiple of 10 means the element of A will be what? 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. And element of B are there. So 10 is belong to A, but 15 does not belong to A. 15, the element 15 does not belong to A, but it is belong to B. That's why A not equal to B. A and B are not equal set here. Okay. The detailed solution you can check. So whatever we explained in the previous page, you can check here. 5. So are the following pair of sets equal? Give reason. Whether they equal, give reason. So in question number 1, so the element of A 2, 3, okay, and B are x such that x is solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0, okay. So means we have to find the element of set B. So set B, we have to find the element. So this is the polynomial, so you have to factorize it, x square plus 5x plus 6. If you factorize it, so you'll get x square plus, it is not x, you have to use this one. Okay. So 5x we can write 3x plus 2x, and 3 to the 6 also, so 6 equals to 0. So from these two cases we take common x plus 3, and from these two we take common 2. So x plus 6 equals to 0. So now this is 3. So x plus 3 is common here, and x plus 2 equals to 0. So means value of x is minus 3 and minus 2. Means the element of B are minus 3 and minus 2. But element of A is 2, positive 2 and 3. That's why A not equals to B here. Next question number 2. So if x such that x is a letter in the word follow. So first write the element of A. So if we write, so F, O, L is repeated. That's why we take 1L. O also we already written, and W. Okay. So we discussed in the previous class, the word should not be repeat. Okay. So means element should be unique. Clear? So F, O, L, W are the element of A. Okay. And now B. What are the element of B? So W, O, L, F. So these are the element of B. Means we see order is not same. Order is not same, but the exact number of exact element is present in both the set. That's why we say A equals to B. I hope you cleared the question number 5. So there is little solution, okay, in printed form. So you can make your notes from this case, from this page. Now 6. So from this set given below, select equal set. So you have to select which are the equal to each other. Means here we have to do like that. Take a set A. Okay, set A is 2, 4, 8, 12, and compare on the other set B, C, D, E, F, G, H to A. Okay, comparing between A to the another set. So does A equal to B? Here you have to check. Does A equal to B? So which sign we will put here? So 2 belong to A, 2 is belong to B. Okay. 4 is belong to A, 4 is belong to B. Okay. 8 is belong to A, but 8 is not belong to B. That's why A not equal to B. Okay. Now we compare between A and C. So 2 is belong to A, 2 is not belong to C. That's why A not equal to C. Another more element also not belong to C. But if one element is not belong to another set, then you can easily say this element is not equal to that set. This set is not equal to the another set. Okay. So we have to check only one element. If not belong to the another set, then you can easily say these are equal set. Now we'll check A to D. A and D. So 2 is belong to A, but 2 is not here. So means A not equal to D. We have to check at least one element is does not belong to the another set. Next A and E. We compare A to E. So A. So 2 is belong to A, but 2 is not belong to E. That's why A not equal to E. Clear? Now A to F. So 2 is belong to A, but 2 is not belong to F. So you can write A does not equal to F. Now A and G. So 2 is belong to A, 2 is not belong to G. So that's why we write A not equal to G. Okay. Now A to H. So A, H. So 2 is belong to A, 2 is not belong to H. That's why A not equal to H. Okay. Now B to another set. So B, 1 is belong to B, but B to C. So B, A and B already done here. So we do not write B to A. No, B to C will write. We will compare between B and C. So B, 1 is belong to B, but 1 is not belong to C. So we will write B does not equal to B not equal to C. Okay. So now B to D. So 1 is belong to B and 1 is belong to D. Okay. 2 is belong to B, 2 is belong to D. Okay. 3 is belong to B, 3 is belong to D. Okay. 4 is belong to B, 4 is also belong to D. Means all the element is belong to same element belong to B and D as well as. So we'll write B is the equal set. B and D are the equal set we got. Okay. Now we'll compare B to E. So 1 is belong to B, 1 is belong to E. 2 is belong to B, but 2 is not belong to E. So we'll write B not equal to E. Clear? Now B to F. 1 is belong to B, but 1 is not belong to F. So we'll write B not equal to F. B to G. 1 is belong to B, 1 is belong to G. 2 is belong to B, but 2 is not belong to G. That's why we'll write B not equal to G. Okay. Now B to H. 1 is belong to B, 1 is belong to H. But 0 is here, but 0 is not here. So we'll write B not equal to H. Yeah. Now C to D. C to D. So C is 4. 4 is there. One element 4 is there. 8, but 8 is not in D. That's why B not equal to D here. Next C to E. C to E. Minus 1 is not in C. That's why we'll write C. Sorry, this will be C. This will be C. This will be C. Next C to E. C not equal to E. C F not equal to F. C not equal to F. C and G, no. C and G not equal to G. C and H, no. C not equal to H also. Done. So now D to E. Okay. So D and E not equal to, obviously it is visible, and D and F, obviously it is also not equal to. Okay, D and G also not equal to, and D and H, it is also not equal to H. Now E and F. So E and F not equal to F. Okay. So we should see a number of element and exact same kind of element should be present. So E and F, clear. E and G equals to E minus 1 is there, minus 1 is there. 1 is there, 1 is there. So E equals to G. Now E and H not. E not equal to H. Next F G not equal to F not equal to G. F and H, no. F not equal to H. G and H, no. G not equal to H also. So we see only E and G and B equal to each other, and rest of the relation not equal to each other. So we can check here this solution. Okay, so this is the two solution is hold equality relationship. Okay. So I hope you understand this concept and questions 4, 5, 6. If there is any doubt, please comment in the comment section. I will answer your questions. And if you like the video, we can subscribe for more information video and like and share. So thank you and keep learning.